Okay guys, welcome back. So this is where we left off earlier. So in this section, these two lectures, we'll be talking about the HTML headers. HTML basically has or defines 6 headers. We have the headers from H1 to H6. So one thing we should know about headers is that search engines such as Google, um, Yahoo, they use these headings to index structures and the content of your website. And also, you should know how to use headers. So when it comes to search engine optimizations, the search engine will know how to pinpoint elements from your website. So, okay. From our first lectures, we created the first header in the body section, which is the H1, and in the browser we could see that okay, this is the H1. So let's go on with the rest. I would say this is save it, refresh. You could see how it's showing in the website. Okay, so the next one will be H2. This my 2. Okay, go right back. Oops, mistake. Okay, what am I doing? I'm trying to bring this to a live update on my website. Okay, well, since that is not working, okay, we refresh what we've done earlier. We save it and we refresh. Now you could see how that the header 2 is smaller in size than the header 1. So we have it all the way down to header 6, which will be header 3. This is my 3. Okay, H4. This is my 4. Okay, H5. Header 5. H6, the last. This is head 6. We save it and we refresh it in the browser. Wow, you could see that the header has different sizes. So okay, where is it? So when working with headers, there are some metadata which we need to input in the head section. Or in the head section, we could use a meta like okay, this is my title. We use meta meet boom meta the character set UTF-8. Okay, one good thing about this is that this doesn't show up on your web page. It doesn't show up on your web page when you reload. Okay, you've reloaded it and you can see it's not on our web page. So okay, one other stuff I would love to show us is the horizontal row. Let's use that here. Okay, we have this is the first header, so we had the horizontal row just like the name implies, HR. That'll be HR. We save it. We refresh our browser. Okay. The horizontal row that it defines this a thematic break in the HTML page and often displays as a horizontal ruler. Okay, you can use it to separate contents or change or define a change in the HTML tag. So okay, let's what have I done here? Did I duplicate it? Okay, let's see. HR again. HR, save it, and we open it up here. Now you see it clearly now. Look at the HTML, the horizontal rule here. We made the first one in the header 1 and the next one was in header 3. Okay, so in this section we talked about headers. See you guys in the next lectures.